Sniper trade of the day, May 7th, 2026, Kenna Tortoise Capital. Wheaton Precious Metals was our sniper trade. The black box at 1 is yesterday's high and low range. You can see the orange VWAP. And the last 30 minutes of that trade are in blue. That's the blue box, the last 30 minutes. These are 10-minute bars. 3 is where the VWAP closed. 4 is where price gapped up. 5, the yellow box, or the green box, is the 10-minute opening range candle. So we're going to play the breakout from that. It breaks out at 6. We set a stop just above the VWAP at 7. It reverses sharply against us. We take a 1-hour loss at 8. At 9, price rolls over. It has not broken out of the original OR10 range. It rolls over when it crosses the VWAP. At 10, I contemplated getting short. I did get short at 11 when it broke through the PSAR and re-entered essentially where the first short was. Crosses through both PSARs and approaching the 30 SMA, the red dotted line. Second position at 12. Third position when it closes below the high of yesterday. So third position at 13. The PSAR, the RL10 goes into the winter mode. Bottoms out at 14. 1, 2, 3 exit at 15 for about net 5R for the day. The close, there was another move available, but the close at 17, low near the low of the day. Big discrepancy between there and the closing VWAP. So that's one that should be in play right from the get-go tomorrow. That'll be on our short list. Wheaton Precious Metals Sniper Trade of the Day.